Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today's video, this is my cousin. I'll see you guys in a minute. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Yo, I'm sorry I took a long time, but I had to pause the video. Okay, so here we have our slime. And it's just a vlog. It's not just making slime. Okay, what are you doing? We need to vlog it.
I think it's weird.
We need to vlog it. Okay.
Did you just step on my tablet?
No, I didn't. Okay, guys. So we'll see you guys in a minute. In a second. In a sec. Yes, I burped. Excuse me, guys. And we're back with another video. So, we're back. So let's go ahead and make this one. So it's already made, but I just need to add the detergent. So, guys, we have someone new. If you don't know her, Juliana. She's my cousin. Smile, girl. She's weird. And what happened? Just come. So she's just being sarcastic, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so from now on, she's going to be in our YouTube video, right? Go ahead, you can talk about you dance and stuff. You can talk.
Okay, so probably we're going to be doing dances or singing if we want to, but probably we will. Let me just pour this in.
Show them.
Bring in detergent.
Oh my gosh. It's deforming.
Guys, look.
Deforming. It's forming into slime. It's like, guys, can't you see this? I put shaving cream in it, and it's like just foaming in it. That's it, Kaylee. Don't want it too slimy. Okay, guys, I made it. It is not an epic fail, Kaylee.
It's not? Oh, it's not.
Yeah.
Let me see your pen.
You said pen? You mean pencil? Okay, guys, so let me get look, I broke my pencil when I put the slime in the freezer. Okay, guys, so my hands are pretty sticky. It is really sticky slime, so yeah. Oh, they're gonna see it. They can't see.
It's in the bottom. You see it?
What?
My slime. It's in the bottom.
Yeah. Well, whatever. I need to use something to Oh, guys, okay. What are you doing to the camera? Can you pause it for me, please? I'll be back, guys. You can't get with it. No. Okay, guys, so we're back, and we made the slime back, and we are putting it right here. Down to show that. So I'm gonna go wash my hands. Be back.
I think.
Okay, guys, so we're back. This is my cousin's. Well, kind of, I made it with her because I poured it in the Tide with her. Could you stop it pulling down my pants? And it is pink. I think she mixed my pink Play-Doh. Remember, if you're gonna get darn things, you're gonna get out. Guys, my brother's so crazy. Look at him. Like, by the way, do you like my house? Next time I'm gonna do a house tour, right?
Maya.
What?
Let's do the dancing.
Guys, fine. So this is my vlog today. It's not gonna be calling dancing. It's going to be calling a vlog. Okay? I said vlog. It's vlog. So it's kind of turned out slime, but I think it's an epic fail. It feels like Play-Doh.
Can we touch it?
Wait, I'm gonna keep mixing and see if it turns to slime. It's not sticky anymore, but I think it's kind of sticky. Wait. Just keep checking. My mom's coming, because guys, I think this is epic fail. Yeah, seriously. I think this is epic. Oh, the hair. Wait, Kaylee, I'm mixing it. But I said I'm mixing it. Guys. She's laughing. She's cracking up. Right? Okay? You guys could take a look at her. Your butt stinks. Oh, and she can do Really, Kaylee? You didn't kick up! Okay, come on, guys. So we're gonna do gymnastics at the end.
Like, I'm gonna kick it.
Wait, girl, I'm mixing it so we can turn out the slime. I said that loud, so we can turn out the slime. By the way, we didn't have permission to do this, so we're savages. No, let me stop.
If you want Musically, then go on Kayliana Santana.
No! If you want Musically, go on. Wait, say. Say like you did the first time.
If you guys want to go on Musically, then
No, guys, go listen. No, if you want to go on Musically, go on Amaya Shanice Dennis. Well, that's not my real name. It's not my typical real name. Hey! Yo, look at guys, they're fighting. Mama, fight. Look, Mama. Kelly, you're gonna kill him. All right, come on. Hashtag cousins fighting with cousins. Crazy, right? Well, by the way, that little dude is my brother, and Kayliana, that ugly girl, head nappy girl, is my cousin.
Amaya, he's gonna do a bitch.
Do not let him. You want to kill your own cousin? You want to see a dead cousin?
Oh, shut up.
Mason, stop, or you go bye-bye.
Who got that on Jaden's call?
No, I didn't. That's my, plea.
Let me touch it.
What?
Let me touch it.
I told you I'm not gonna
I want to touch it real quick.
But I'm going mix it, guys. You see this girl? Look. Okay, wait. Let me show them. So it looks like a dead brain, a deadly brain, right, Kaylee?
Let's fight.
Look, it looks like a deadly brain. Look. It's weird, right? Okay, so comment down below if you think it's an epic fail. Guys, epic fail. It's her slime. Guys, vote for me. Epic. Wait, Kaylee. Vote for me. Wait.
Whoa.
Vote for me. Wait. Vote for Nation. Vote for Nation. What does it vote for you? Wait, guys. Remember, you want guys to vote for me or Kaylee? Come on. Guys, he wants you to vote for me. Oh, it's so cute. Want to do it again? No. Want to do it again? The big baby.
Let's read.
So look, I'm gonna stretch it out for you so you can see if it's.
It's not fail.
Hey, guys, you vote for this weirdo? Mama, stop it. You vote for her, or do you vote for me? Which one? Okay, so there she is, and what the heck? She's gonna show you guys her Musicallys. Kaylee! I don't want to make a mess of my beautiful couch.
I'll go for you.
See my beautiful couch back there? I don't want to make a mess. I need to put all the pillows back before I get in trouble. I love making, I hate making messes. There, anything. Ah!
Guys, if you know Dangerly, if you're watching this,
She doesn't know this.
if you know Dangerly, then everybody sees your Musically, even Jaden.
Wait, let me put the media up. Wait,
No, we can't see her Musically.
I know, but look.
We need
So this is her face.
Dangerly, that's not mine, that's my friend's.
Yep. So that is her account. And let me show you others. I'm gonna tell you people who to follow. Follow. Oh, it's okay. Oh, baby, the baby. Okay, sure. Okay, I'll stop. Okay, guys. So she's following Martini's twin, Martina fans.
Shut up, baby.
And then she's following Lil Pump, and she's following Kenzie, and she's following Jaden, and wait, yeah, she's following Jaden,
you hear him?
Exactly. She's following Rebecca. She's following. You guys should vote. Rose Smith. I love those. The old lady and the man. I love that. I watched that on YouTube. The vines. Wait. Guys, follow Rose Smith. Wait. Look, which one you like? That one? Okay. I'm going to try to follow that. So, follow Annie LeBlanc. Follow Annie. Okay, so I'm going on her account. Oh, it doesn't show. I forgot. Follow Hayden Summerall. Follow Jojo Suya. Ew. I don't like. Comment down below if you like her as well. Shh. Okay, which one you like? That one? Okay, I'm gonna show them to pick that. Follow Baby Ariel. Zach King. Oh, I like Zach King. Kira something. I forgot. Wait! Which one you like? Okay, I'm gonna tell them. Follow Miranda Singh and Lucas and Marcus. So, there's no more. It died. Go tell Kaylee to charge it. Don't tell Alfred.
Hey.
I know. Guys, we'll be back. Actually, I've been pausing the video too much, so you can see us clean. So, you can watch us clean. You wanna watch us clean, guys? Should we? Should we? Should we, girl? Kaylee, they're talking to you. Kaylee! They're talking to you. They said, do you want, Mama, they said, Kaylee, they said, do you want, if they could watch us clean. Wait, Mama, the guy said, do you want to watch us clean?
Guys, I'm posting a video on this too. So
this is big. Okay.
So we're gonna be posting that. So I'm gonna put this over there while I do gymnastics.
Guys, you're supposed to cleaning with me.
Wait.
What's that?
So yeah, so guys, as you can see, you see me on both screens and her. So I'm gonna be taking.
Guys, I'm gonna show you. Wait, Mama, look. Okay, so this is them.
The touch look. So I'm gonna be like recording. So let's get started.
Touch look. That doesn't make sense.
Like I'm gonna be like showing it. Okay, let's
wait,
get started.
wait.
You cool? You see that?
Yeah. So you can see.
Okay, so we're gonna be starting. So
Really, at times.